In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an inventory adjustment transaction from your accounting records. Whether you're fixing an earlier mistake or cleaning up your books, we'll guide you through the process to make sure your records are accurate and up to date. Let's begin by navigating to the accounting section of your software. You'll do this by heading over to the main menu and selecting the accounting option. Once you're there, you'll see an item labeled Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a compilation of all your financial accounts, providing a structured overview of your entire financial landscape. Here, you're able to manage every aspect of your financial entries in a streamlined manner. Now let's focus on your inventory account, which is where all your inventory-related transactions are recorded. Inventory is a critical component of your business and thus your chart of accounts. It's important to ensure that this account accurately reflects your current inventory levels and values. So, find your inventory account listed among the other accounts in your chart and click to open its register. The register functions much like a detailed log, providing a chronological list of all transactions associated with that account. Once you've opened the inventory register, our next task is to locate the specific inventory adjustment transaction you need to remove. This step is crucial. Take your time to review the transactions listed and identify the one you intend to delete. Pay attention to the date, amount, and any descriptions to ensure you're selecting the correct entry. After you've found it, it's time to open the transaction. Simply click on it, which will bring up the details and options related to that specific entry. When the transaction details are in front of you, you'll notice an option that allows you to delete the transaction. Click on the delete button. You'll probably see a confirmation message pop up, and this is standard procedure. The system wants to make sure that you didn't click delete by accident. Confirm that you indeed want to proceed with the deletion. By clicking confirm, you successfully tell the system to remove this entry from your register. It's now erased from your financial records, helping you maintain cleaner and more accurate accounting data. It's worth mentioning that taking great care with deletions in your accounting software is important to avoid unintentional gaps in your financial history. And there you have it. That's how you efficiently remove an inventory adjustment transaction from your account. Feel free to turn to this guide anytime you need to manage your inventory records or correct an error. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more accounting tips and tutorials.